would you look at the size of it? They're getting bigger. Dun dun dun. Welcome back guys to another unboxing video, and yes, would you look at the size of it, they're getting bigger. Dun dun dun. Anyway, so, me being a big Zelda fan, I've always wanted a Majora's Mask from the game, and they very kindly handmade me one, but they did ask which version I would like. They said, would you like a colour version or the black and white version? Now, me being me, I couldn't decide, so they've happily sent me both of them. So this is going to be cool, so let's get into the video. But first of all, let's just talk about the box. I believe they're spray painted on these little messages on the box. So there's their logo. It's got a Kratos. It says thank you from the team. So that's pretty cool. I do like the box, so let's just see how I'm going to open it, because it is quite big. Got my trusty knife, I hope. Yeah, like the box. I'm only going to go very, very gently over here, because I don't want to like damage anything. I know it's ready. I believe we are in. Right anyway guys, this being quite a big box, don't think I'm going to change camera angle for this, so we'll just dive straight in. So the first thing, I got a nice note for me. They say, "Hi Joey, thanks for the collaboration with Kratos. The background of us is basically we make stuff. We run a little printing workshop about the size of a standard one-car garage using DIY 3D printers, selling everywhere we can and touring the UK cosplays and comic conventions. In this pack, we'll be giving you 2 Majora's Masks, 1 Shadow Edition and 1 Skullkid Edition. Okay, oh wow, I got more. 1 Rick and Morty Butterbot, which I weren't expecting, and 1 Millennium Puzzle. So, here's the links you asked for, so make sure guys you follow, they have their Etsy store, they have their main website, and they have Facebook and Insta, so make sure you go check them out. I'll leave that on there for you, hopefully that is there. And make sure you go check them out. I'll also leave them in the description. Also, just a little reminder, they do free shipping on their Etsy store. They do free shipping over £10 on their main website. And they also ship globally at no extra cost. So again, that's a win-win. And also, they've included a little bonus for myself and the viewers who are watching. You can get 10% off any item in their store using this code. So guys, yeah, make sure you pause the video, grab the code, maybe you see something you like, go buy it. And yeah, and also at the bottom, a huge thanks from Dial, I believe that's how you pronounce his name, I hope, and Reese, founders of Kratos. Thanks for your order. Another little note. Right then, let's dive in. I'm hoping this has been packaged well. It looks like it. It's got a lot of tissue paper in it. I'll put that to one side. Right then, so starting off with, I believe, the Millennium Puzzle. I can never say that one. Okay, so they've done me a customised mug, which is pretty cool, and it's got Heroes Never Die with a bunch of gaming icons, I believe from Zelda. So that's pretty cool. I do like that. So yeah. Just a standard mug, I believe, but yeah, I weren't expecting none of this, so this is all new to me as well. So yeah, that's pretty cool. I'll put that to one side. Down there. Right then, moving on. I believe, oh, it's like a box inside of a box. I believe this is the Rick and Morty Butterbot, I believe. Wow, very fragile. Ah, I think it has broken transit. Yeah, okay. Luckily, I'll hope I can stick that together. I'll just put that box to one side. But yeah, this is the Rick and Morty Butterbot, as you can see here. I'll hold it together. But yeah, it has broken transit, guys, as you can see. It has broke. But yeah, hopefully a bit of glue or whatnot can hold that back down. But yeah, that's pretty cool. I'm guessing this is 3D printed as well. So that's pretty cool. See, I like receiving little gadgets like this because you don't even see them. So yeah, I do like that. Simple but effective. But yeah, being a big Rick and Morty fan as well, that's pretty cool. I do like that. I've never seen anything like that. But yeah, sweet. I'm hoping that will stick together. I'm hoping. Well, I'm hoping I can mend it. But yeah, that's like, now, moment of truth. This is what I've been waiting for, the Majora's Mask. So the other stuff has been really cool. These are all 3D printed models, so obviously it takes a lot of time. I don't know how many hours, but yeah, so far I'm loving every item I've got. But I believe this one is the Majora's Mask, the Shadow Edition, I believe. I hope so, but we're going to go with that one anyway. So yeah, a 3D printed model of Majora's Mask in black and white. Now, I couldn't decide between the two. I haven't seen the other one yet, which is called the Skullkid edition. So I'm not 100% sure, but however this one stood out to me more, only because it's in black and white. It just looks awesome, man. That's like the limited edition kind of stuff, weird. But like, I'll let you decide in the comments hopefully which one you like. But this is the first one, the black and white. It's got, it has got, I don't know if you can see that in the back there, it has got some little holes, so you could put it up on the wall or hang it from somewhere. That's pretty cool. And yeah, it's so like fragile, so I'm hoping it won't break, but at least these were okay in the being delivered. So yeah, that's the first one. I'll put that one down here. And the second one is, here we go, and here's the original, or the Skullkid edition. Again, I'm not 100% sure which one's which, but yeah, we'll call this one the Skullkid edition. So yeah, there's a lot of colours on this, so that's pretty cool. It's got a purpley face, so yeah, with red again, and it's got I love all the different colours on the spikes. So yeah, I think this is more like the original Zelda, but I don't know whether that one's got a new one in the game, maybe. I haven't played it yet. Or they've just decided to go with a black and white one. But yeah, let me know which one you think's better, guys. I'll hold them both up for you now. There we go. As you see, we've got the two there. We've got the Shadow Edition and the Skullkid Edition. So yeah, which one do you prefer? Because I couldn't choose between both of them, so this is why they happily sent me both of them. But yeah, I think I'm more drawn towards the black and white one. It just, something about it just stands out. But the colour one, don't get me wrong, I do like the colour one as well. So yeah, let's make sure there's nothing else in the box. Nope. So yeah, we got like a box inside of a box inside of a box. Bit disappointed that the little Butterbot got broken transit, but I'm hoping I can fix that. And I weren't expecting the Butterbot or the personalised mug. So again, that's pretty cool. So rightio guys, we came to the end of the video. Please comment, like, subscribe, tell me what you want to see more of. And lastly, a big shout out to Kratos for sending me these items, and I hope I did you proud with the video. And until next time, I'll see you again. Peace.